So doing a 25 horse Yamaha 4-stroke, the outboard motor trim. Pretty simple. This, I put a bag already, but this is the motor trim right here. 4 screws. The screw right here. The 4 screws. Hold on. Give you a good bezel. Right there. Right there it goes in like that. And just take it out. Basically, this thing right here. Just take 2 pins out. Take a screwdriver, flathead, whatever, and hammer it out to the right this way or left, whatever. I think this way be easier. And just pull it out, and then this will come down like that. Once this come down, the whole thing come down, it'd be much easier to access the 4 screws. The 4 screws right here, because you know it's on against the boat, so it'll be like this, so it should be easier to take out. So right now what I'm doing is following the wire, so I could see, just follow the wire, and yeah, and just replace it. Use a vice grip, loosen it real quick. Yeah, see, to the top, on the bottom right here. I already loosen it, and just same thing, and keep the washer. And just, so this is the bar that holds right here, goes in right here. I was saying the 2 clips. It's a 2 clip. The plastic, little plastic, goes in right here, so it looks like that. So when you just take it all apart, you know, I'll probably make a video when I install that so together. What's going on, y'all? Just got my motor trim for the outboard. So let's see if it works. Let me show you real quick. This is the old one. See, mine's all rust, so hopefully this is the problem. So that's why I'm replacing it, because my motor trim's not going up and down, but I hear the clicking sound. So click, 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 but it's not moving up and down. So hopefully this will fix the problem, and we'll see once I install it back on. So there's like a plastic piece in there. You gotta put it in there. Springs. See the teeth right there, so I'm gonna put that right in there. So I'm gonna do that now. Tap it down. I'm gonna pause it for now. You already know, just put the 4 screws and I'm gonna rewire it. So I'm putting the pin back. Not the pin back. This right here goes back in here to this hole. It's the pin to both ends. So let's do that now. The pin that came, the plastic piece was in there, goes in there. So now I gotta lock it in with the locking pin. Use this, the locking pin right here, and just push it in. Or just use the freaking vice grip. I'm just gonna squeeze it in, back in on both sides. So both locking pins in. I just gotta rewire this, open the engine cover, and plug it into the positive and negative. Alright, so there's one down here. Put it in here, the old, what it used to be, the old one. Slide all the way in. Let's make it look nice. Oh, I didn't put in the engine either. Hold on. Throw it in here. Boom. Make these pops in. There. That's cool. Okay. I gotta wire this. So let's go. Slide Hopefully this work. Been waiting, couldn't go out in the water because the motor trim won't go up and down. So let's see. Moment of truth. Once this everything's on, the battery's charged already. See that? All right, let's test it out. All right, let's see. Oh, it works. Oh, it works. It works. We're back in action, baby. Oh, God. Let's lift it up. Everything works good. I'm happy. Yeah. So yeah, I'm ready to go. Clean her up and ready to go. So if this video helped you out, make sure you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.